In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Microsoft Edge browser from dark mode to light mode. As you can see, I'm currently using dark mode of Microsoft Edge. However, I like to switch to light mode. Now, there are two methods you can use to do so. First, you can go to these settings here, and then down here, you'll see an option called Custom Theme. Tap on Manage. Under this, you can now see you can choose between light mode and system default, and it will be okay. So if you want light mode, just go ahead and tap on light mode. And now if we go to homepage, you can see we are on light mode. Alternatively, you can just go to these ellipses and then tap on it, and then you'll see the setting options here. Under this, go and look for appearance, and under appearance, choose now here light mode. So if you choose light mode, you will now have switched. So that's how you switch from dark mode to light mode in Microsoft Edge. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.